Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find watch history in Netflix. Let's start. So there are cases wherein, you just really need to watch history. I mean, most likely it's done by parents who would audit what movies and series that their kids are probably watching, and then you want to audit that, or basically just wanna, or you forgot what the title of the series or movie, just in case you mistakenly deleted that from maybe for continue watching, or for any other reasons. There's actually a way for you to check viewing history in Netflix. Okay, so just in case you forget, how to do that, after this tutorial, you could always go to Help Center. And when you go there, you could always type on what you need to do, and it would, give you a link where you could actually go. Most of the time, it's done through parental controls on Netflix. And this is where you could actually see, like, access viewing history for a profile, and then you can just click on that. Now, you don't need the help center because you have me. Say if I would need to access my account and I would need to look and audit, my son's watch history, you could actually go to this part right here. When you actually click on account, and then you would be able to select, the like when you go to account, you scroll down, and then you could actually go to profile and parental controls. You click on whichever you want to watch or to check, and then you go with viewing activity. You click on this one, and from there you could already see what were the movies or series that has been watched. And this is pretty much your history, or checking the history of the videos or the movies or series that you've watched. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.